Alright guys, what it do? It's your boy Exia back with another video. And in today's video, it's something I want to address. It has to be said. I don't know if everybody can see it. I know some people can and some people can't, but I guess some people just need to hear it from other people. And I guess I will accept this role and let you guys know there's no going back to the norm. This is the new norm. Like, dead serious. This is the new norm. Time to wake up, everybody. Alright guys, so pretty much let's get into the video. And in today's video, yeah, this is the norm. There's just no going back. This is it. You hear me? This is it. Face masks, 6 feet apart, hygiene. Me personally, I thought hygiene was important before, but I guess not as important as we all thought, right? But now, hygiene, 6 feet apart, masks. This is the new norm. No such thing as going back to normal. This is it. Living it now. And the reason I bring this up is because there's a lot of people who don't understand what's going on out there. Like, literally, what's going on. They keep saying, I'm just ready for things to get back to normal. I'm not trying to go back to work because I don't want to deal with none of that. Due to the illness and all these things, I would just stay at home where it's safe. But what people don't understand, this is the new norm. Get with it or get left behind. And I'm not saying it to be mean. I'm saying it because, like, literally, you're going to get left behind. You have to get ahead of this curve. Everybody must be prepared. Like, prepare something fiercely for what is to come. And I'm not saying it's going to get worse. I'm not saying it's going to get better. But me personally, everybody's situation is going to go way worse before it gets better. Unless you're just wealthy. If you're wealthy, must be nice. Yeah, you thought I gave you some thumbs up? Nah, must be nice. But to all us other people, us average Americans, us normies, us regular folks, it's going to get so much worse before it gets better. And if you're looking at the stock market and it's just jumping and jumping and jumping, and things are not what they seem. It's an illusion. It's a mirage. You've been hit with a shining gun. You are in a jutsu, and I'm here to wake you up, my guy. There are job losses everywhere. Not some places, everywhere. Numerous companies are cutting jobs. People are not going to have jobs in the upcoming months. AT&T has cut jobs. Office Max has cut jobs. IBM has cut jobs. United Airlines has cut jobs. Amtrak has cut jobs. I mean, so many companies are cutting jobs. Not just laying off, cutting jobs. And for some people, you already got your deadline. You got your deadline. You pretty much know when your last day of working is. And you pretty positive you just gonna be without. Now, some of these companies are trying to compensate you guys for a little while, but nothing permanent, of course. But with that being said, people don't realize the CARES Act has a due date, an expiration date. It's fastly approaching. July 31st is when the bonus to the coronavirus unemployment is supposed to get. So that extra $600 you're getting, not guaranteed. And a lot of people in our Senate are already saying, yeah, we don't want that extra $600. It has to go, because we have to give people incentive to go back to work, because they have already announced there's no way that we're going to go through another shutdown. Our economy just cannot survive something like that. And with that being said, they're doing everything in their power to try to push everybody to get back to work, because we can't do another shutdown. So we can't do another shutdown, and things are just not looking like they're going to go in our favor, people. It's time to prepare. Budget your money. Save your money. And eliminate some of your bills. So therefore, in the long run, it'll be easy for you to maintain have all your bills. Even if you have to let go 1 or 2 bills, cool. But some of your big bills need to be paid down in or off. And like right now, the best thing anybody can do is hit the Dave Ramsey method. Debt free. I know it sounds like, but you can't do it. You can't. It's ways you can go about doing it. Everybody can. Everybody can. But Dave Ramsey has the method that can carry you through time. Debt free. And if you're not debt free, you need to be working towards being debt free, because there is no guarantee. Man, I just rhymed there. Give me a high five. Ooh. But seriously, like AT&T, like I'm just gonna give you guys a runoff here. Like literally, I want you guys to actually know the numbers. AT&T is to close 250 stores. 250 stores. And they're cutting thousands of jobs. Thousands. We talking about 3,400 technicians, 1,300 retail jobs. They're even cutting managers and executives. AT&T announced that they're cutting jobs. There's thousands of people that just will not have a job. T-Mobile is also letting go people. They didn't give a specific number. They just said, without a doubt, they're going to have to cut some jobs. You got IBM get rid of many software developers and researchers and computer operators and project managers because they're preparing for the future. Even BP is letting go 10,000 jobs due to the oil prices. You have Amtrak also letting go many routes and many jobs. Like it's you got Office Depot letting go. It's a plethora of companies that are just letting go of people. You got United Airlines saying they're going to drop 3,500 jobs just cut out. That's unreal. And you have American Airlines saying they're going to just drop 5,000 jobs. So, like, are you talking 3,500, 5,000, 1,300, 34? These are thousands of individuals who get up every day, go to work, who now will not have that ability. These people are probably well into their salaries. Now they're going to have to make do with much less income. And I'm telling you guys, you guys are waiting to get back to normal. This is the new normal. Because what's ahead is terrifying. If you're not putting yourself in a position to be prepared for it, you're going to be sad when that day comes. Trust me, it's not going to be nice. It's not going to be remotely nice. These are thousands of jobs getting let go. And so many people literally have their due date. And I can't remember which one I was reading on one of these companies. I think it was IBM. They got like July 20th, and they're just going to let all these people go. And these are people, like I said, who've been working in their field for, I'm pretty sure, many of years, who have just going to get let go. And then you have to realize, even the airlines are letting people go, but what the airlines are going to do, they can't cut these jobs as of right now due to the CARES Act. Once the CARES Act expires, because they accepted the funds, from the government to keep them afloat, as of right now, all the employees are good. Come September, these airlines have already stated that they're just going to cut these jobs. All the people with these just gone, just unemployed. And they're doing it because they have to re-infrastructure these companies to deal with the pandemic. And I don't think a lot of people are seeing that or thinking about that as of right now, due to the fact that the stock market is just booming. And though you probably heard, oh, well, the unemployment rate has dropped. Yeah, it's dropped. You know what I'm saying? It's only going to end this much because it's going to shot and skyrocket in the upcoming months. And people are just looking at what they see on these news bulletins and these articles. They're popping up on your news feed on Facebook. You see it. Oh, well, we're doing good. The unemployment's dropping. Oh, yeah, we're doing that. Yeah, it's dropping now because you're not looking at the larger picture. The unemployment is going to shoot up in the months to come. And even though it's going to shoot up, there'll be tons of people who will not have access to what people have access now, which is coronavirus extra bonus to the unemployment. These guys are going to have just standard unemployment, thousands of dollars less than what they were making, struggling to make it, having all these bills. And it's going to be somewhat decent. Well, I'm going to say decent, but it's going to be a little bit better for people to manage this if you're a homeowner, because you can always go into forbearance. Luckily, you can go into forbearance for up to a year. You get like the first 6 months, then after that, you guys will reevaluate and go for the next 6 months. But that's for homeowners. It's not a lot of homeowners out there, but there are a lot of renters. And you guys, there is nothing in place to help you guys. Nothing. You must fend for yourself. You must budget your money, manage your money, look ahead, save. And like I said, I've done plenty of videos on saving. Like I said, I will link those in the description. There's no such thing as going back to the norm. This is a norm. I cannot stress it enough. Everybody should be aware of actual facts and statements. And please, I cannot stress enough, do your due diligence. Read a bulletin, read an article, read a blog, watch a video like mine. And while you're watching, hit the like button for me, to help me with the algorithm, and just so everybody can see my video, because I feel like everybody needs to hear this, just to know, so they can have that wake-up call. Like I said, my name's Exia. This is my YouTube channel, but hit that like button and please subscribe so you can always get my latest video. But outside of that, really, it's not looking right for us average people. And I just want everybody to know to put yourself in a position where you would take the least amount of damage, because I know a lot of people are very fed up of being stuck in the house. I know a lot of people just antsy to want to just jump out there and just live how we was. But life as we know it back in the day is that life as we used to know it. It's not the current. And if you can't adjust, it's going to be extremely hard for you guys. And I just want everybody to be aware and just look out for yourself. Like I said, I hope everybody's doing good. I hope you're making all the extra precautions. But I just had to let that be known. But it's your boy Exia. Like I said, this is my YouTube channel. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll definitely like this video and share it as much as possible so we can get everybody, woke, as the kids say, right? I need everybody to be out here woke, with the actual information. Don't be fooled by the bulletins and articles that are just popping up on your news feed and just think, oh yeah, we're slowly making our way back. We're not, people. The worst is yet to come. Put yourself in a position where you won't be on the side that is the most ugliest. But it's your boy Exia. Like I said, this is my YouTube channel, and I'm out.